Hi friends, welcome to the part 3 of most important questions for RBWM. Those who are appearing for the 2025 November exam, you have to watch this session till the end. All the important PYQs are covered, numericals are covered, objective questions are covered, full session. Daily I am taking the lectures, so don't miss this. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Don't miss on click on the bell icon because you'll be getting all the updates for all the subjects. Okay, so do it right now. So let's move on. See, I'll be discussing today previous year questions, many plus one or two numericals. So watch it till the end, watch fully. You won't get PYQs anywhere else because what happens, IIBF does not publish any PYQ. So for that you have to follow the mentors. We mentors at Adda 24/7 have gone through more than 50 to 60,000 students. So we have seen 2 to 3 portion changes. So that's why we will definitely able to guide you better. So that's why follow Adda 24/7 classes also free as well as paid. Subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Okay. In case of short-term assets, the immovable property shall be held by the person for less than. Now short-term assets. What are short-term assets? In case of short-term asset or short-term capital gains, you can say. In that case, that is the best word for this. Short-term capital gains. This is the right logic of this question. Capital gains. The property shall be held by the person for less than 12 months, 24 months, 36 months and 48 months. Housing property. Housing. Okay? Housing. Housing property shall be held by the person for less than how many months? 12, 24, 36 and 48. Very important one. Very interesting one also. Because there are in short-term capital gains. Kindly note, there are 3 types of long-term and short-term capital gains. 3 types. One is, let's say, shares. Shares and equity MF. Shall I write it over here? Shares. Okay, shares. And equity MF. Equity MF. Okay. Now the criteria for shares and equity MF is 1 year. Okay, period. 1 year, less than or equal to 1 year. Okay, it means if I hold the shares and equity up to 1 year, or if I means up to 1 year and after that I sell, then it will be calculated under long-term capital gains. Okay, now housing property. This will be 2 years. So here the answer is 24 months. 24 months, 2 years. Okay. So again the same logic. If I hold the property for up to 24 months or 2 years and then I sell it afterwards, so that will be calculated under long-term capital gains. Okay. Now gold and debt MF. Debt, kindly note, debt DEBT, debt MF. Okay. This is 3 years. So 1 to 3, simple you have to remember. 1 to 3, 1 year for equity and shares, means equity MF and shares. Housing is 2 years and gold and debt funds are, debt MF is 3 years. Okay. Don't forget these 3 because these are asked in exam. One, at least I think so, all the 3 will be asked in exam. So the answer over here is 24 months. Among the following, in which of the following stages the sales volume of the product picks up and the product is likely to break even and start generating profits for the organization? So, sales volume picks up. Where will it pick up? In fact, what are the stages? Introduction, growth, maturity and decline. These are the 4 stages of the PLC, product life cycle. See, it's like this. PLC is like this. It starts with introduction 0. It goes like this, it goes like this, then it starts growing, then maturity, then decline, like this. So this is intro phase, intro. This is growth, growth. This is maturity, maturity, and this is decline, decline, D. Okay? These are the 4 stages. In introduction phase, you have to do a lot of investment. Okay? Investment is more, very high. Profit is almost nil. Sales are nil, almost, very less. Then in growth phase, the investment reduces. The sales and profit go on increasing. Maturity phase, investment is minimum. Sales and growth are at the maximum. Sales and profit are at the maximum. And last one is this decline. Okay. So this is means you can write it like this also. See, best phase you will have to get a table over here. This table will be the best table for you. Means you must remember this table throughout all your studies. Okay. So sales, profit, and investment. Okay. And so under these stages, kindly note this. This is for your remembering. Okay. One is introduction, intro. Second is growth, G. Third is maturity. And last one is decline. Okay. So let's write it in a simple format so that everyone remembers it. Introduction, sales, almost nil. I will say less. Let's call it less and more. Simple. Less. Profit, almost nil. Okay. Nil. Investment, high. More or high, you can write it. Okay. Next, growth phase. Sales growing. Now see this. It is more. Not more actually. Yeah, more you can say. Or growing you can say. Growing. Profit also growing. Investment less. Year maturity, sales maximum. Max. Year maximum. This is least. Okay. Decline. Sales is declining. Less. Okay. Profit less. Getting declined. Investment also generally less only. Means company, if it wants to revive the product, only then it will invest more. Otherwise, it will not invest. This product will be out. Okay. So you can call this less or more. You can call it less only because company generally eradicates that product. Okay. This is the way this PLC works. So the answer over here is in which stage the sales volume of the product picks up. This growth. B, break-even point. Okay. Which of the following ratios is used for calculating return on equity from return on assets? So ROE you have to calculate from ROA. Understand the question properly. You have to calculate ROE from ROA. So what is the formula for that then? See, kindly note the formula for ROE and ROA is like this. You have to relate them. ROE equals to ROA, return on asset, into which one of this? Liquidity ratio, activity ratio, leverage ratio, or performance? Let me see in the comment section. Yeah. Liquidity ratio, activity ratio, leverage ratio, and performance ratio. Yes. Leverage. Okay, leverage. So this is the answer. Okay. ROE means what? Returns, income, net income you can call it. We'll write it simple, income. Income upon capital, that is ROE. ROA equals to what? Income upon assets. Leverage equals to what? Assets upon capital. So you see assets gets cancelled and it is income upon capital. So leverage ratio is the answer. Got it everyone? Clear? This formula, all of them are asked to you in exam. ROA is also asked, ROE is also asked, and leverage is also asked. 5 marks case study is there. I have taken it separately. Okay, kindly follow that. Today also I think so, yeah. Let's see. Which of the following ratios are used for calculating return on equity from return on assets? Done. Say this, yeah. Same case study, let's see if we can find it. You are given the information of XY bank. You are required to calculate the leverage ratio and also find ROE. Net income is 35 lakhs. So net income is given as 35 lakhs. You have to calculate ROE. Let's calculate ROA also. All of them. Chalo. Let's all of these. ROE, ROA and leverage. Let's find out all of them. Formula just now I have given. Try it everyone. First try leverage. What is leverage ratio? Leverage. What is leverage ratio? Everyone, give me the formula first. What is the formula for leverage? Yes, it is. Formula for leverage is everyone. Assets upon, yes, assets upon capital. Okay, assets upon capital, that is known as leverage. Assets upon capital. So assets upon capital. So that is equal to what are the assets? 300 lakhs, right? So 300 upon capital is what? 50. 50. So leverage equals to 6. Leverage equals to 6. What does it mean, leverage? Here leverage means in comparison to my capital, how much loans have I given? Mean this is a type of risk which I have taken. I am having 50 rupees, but I have distributed 300 rupees. Huge risk, leverage, isn't it? Banks are working at a leverage of 20 and 25 also. Next, what is ROE? ROE, return on equity. So ROE is what? Return on equity is income upon capital. What is income? Income is given as 35 lakhs. 35 upon, what is capital? 50. So 35 upon 50. What is it? 35 upon 50. So 0.7 or 70% you can call it. So 0.7 is also okay. 0.7. Okay? 0.7. Or you can call it 70%. Getting this everyone? ROE, you got it? Everyone is getting ROE? Let me see comments. All of you have got ROE? Okay? Next. What did I say? ROA also. Let's find out ROA. ROA is what? Income upon assets. So income upon assets. What is income? 35. 35 upon, what are assets? 300. 300. Okay, so what is the answer? 35 upon 300. Do it everyone. 0.35. So 3 1 and 1 and 20 6 0.116. Are you getting this? 0.116 or 11.6%. 11.6%. If you want it in percent, it is 11.6%. Okay. So now I want to calculate over here whether am I right or wrong. How do I know? Is my answer correct or wrong? What do you do? Try to get the relationship. What was given as earlier? ROE equals to what? ROA into leverage. So multiply this ROA and leverage. Let's see what we get as the answer. ROA and leverage. What do we get? So find this ROA. There you'll understand whether you are right or wrong. ROA into leverage equals to what is ROA? 0.116. Take it in points. 0.116 into leverage is what? 6. So multiply this. 6 into 0.116. So that comes to, yes, that comes to 0.116. So 6 1 is 6, 36. See, 6 and then 6 is 36, 9 and 36, 696, 0.696. So that can be approximately taken as 0.7. See this, 0.7, 0.7. So you are right. This is how you will be checking. Okay? So 0.7, 0.7. You have to always relate these. Then only you will be able to, in exam you will be confident, because these questions will come for 2 marks. 2 marks questions these are. They are not that simple. Okay? You have to remember them. Got it? Next. Among the following below mentioned matches, which of them is incorrectly matched? Incorrect. Which of them is incorrect? So let's see. ROA equals to return on arbitrage. ROA equals to risk adjusted return on arbitrage. ROE equals to risk adjusted return on enterprise. And all of these. Think just now we have done all these things. So it is. This is return on return. Just now we did it, right? Return on assets. ROA, again, just risk adjusted, and then the same, return on assets. Okay? ROE, again, risk adjusted, return on equity, or you call it capital also, REROC, equity. Okay? So all of them are incorrectly matched over here. Getting this? All of them are incorrectly matched. Got it? Next. Which of the following is not correct regarding the cash deposit machine, CDM, cash deposit machine? What is cash deposit machine? It is basically ATM. ATMs are now having basically both the facilities, withdrawal also, deposit also, right? So some of them are yet not that much, they are not advanced that much, but almost 40-50% have become CDM also. So the CDM are self-service terminals that allow you to deposit cash during banking hours. Both state-owned and private banks offer this facility where account balance is credited instantly. Customers will receive a transaction receipt for each successful transaction. Payment can also be made in different accounts using this machine. So not correct. Huh? You want not correct. Self-service, true. Bank, state-owned and private offers this facility instantly, true. Will receive a transaction receipt, true. In different accounts. Now this is the problem. You can't deposit, otherwise there will be an AML issue. So this is not allowed. False. Got it? Clear everyone? Okay. So now next. Okay. KCC is valid for a period of dash years, subject to an annual review. Now KCC means Kisan Credit Card. It's a loan basically. given for crop loans, mainly for crop loans. So that is valid for what period? Subject to, of course, annual review. So it is valid for how many years? 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. Any number of withdrawals and repayments are permitted under this, obviously, because it's a OD loan. So all the numbers are permitted. You can withdraw it anytime. Now the main point is how many years. Many of you are typing, I have seen 3 years. 3 years it was valid earlier, but now it has been changed. 3 years is gone now. It is 5 years. KCC is valid for 5 years now. Okay? Got it? Clear? Before going, everyone join the Adda 24/7 batches. The new batch crash course has just now started. Just now. Okay? Just now started. Use this. Immediately join it because all the details are covered over here. In 1 month, the complete portion is covered. Various mentors. I'll be covering RBWM. So join it immediately. Call this number 080-463-95886. Simple, very simple. 080-463-95886. You can download the app also. Download the Adda 24/7 app. For downloading the app, just go to Adda 24/7. Okay? You can download it through the Google also as well as through the app, iPhone also. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. It's available on Google as well as Apple also, iPhone. Okay, so download it through. By downloading, you'll be getting 1% extra discount. Don't miss this 1% also. Purchase the JAIIB Increment Mahapack. This Mahapack is the best Mahapack for all the JAIIB students. Here you get 15 plus batches per subject 15 plus. Plus you get question bank, physical question bank at your home, delivered at your home, book for all the subjects. Plus you get formula bank for all the subjects, delivered at your home, physical. Okay, plus 15 plus batches means you have so many times revisions. So this you get it. In fact, right now we are going on with the double validity offer. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. Buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. And discount, look at this discount. Put the code Y432. Remember, Y432. Click on enter. Look at this, 79% discount plus 1% extra, 80%. 80% discount net you are getting. So it's a huge thing. Join it. Also the crash courses have just now started. Okay? Crash courses, now the new courses will be starting. All the courses are available. Just go to Adda 24/7. So the JAIIB crash course. Very fast. Speed up. Speed course. Okay? Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. If you join the Mahapack, you'll get all these courses. Okay? So join ASAP and don't forget the code Y432. Okay?